So as you can see, it's part 2. Since my camera just randomly, So as you can see, my tape flap. I'm going to go and tape it. I'm going to cut some slits, as you can see, on my pieces of tape. I'm going to put them together. So I'm going to go and just tape them. As you can see, I taped it. It doesn't look that clear. Oh, and also make sure you press really hard down. So as you can see, clearer, and there's no air bubbles or anything. No weird lines. So as you can see, you can kind of see it at least. Alright, now you're gonna go and just keep on taping it, really. But if you're doing it there, like me, just make sure you leave a gap like right there, because you're gonna put in the stuffing and all that stuff. I wonder where my hamster is right now. I literally have no idea. But that is okay. You don't have to worry about that right now. Totally. Really? No. So if there's extra tape, sticky side the tape sticking out, just cut slits in them. That's the only solution, I think. Hey, I'm not a genius, so so really you're just gonna tape them down like they're band-aids. As you can see, there's a little bit of tape sticking out. Make sure you leave those alone, because that's going to be really important later on. If it looks too weird, then you can actually cut it off. So it's not all the way. I wonder where my hamsters stay here, guys. Hamster. Okay, my hamster was just stuck under the bed, so I have to get him out. But I know it's taking a really long time. Maybe I don't really exactly know how to speed up the video, but you can speed up the video. Just tap right there, as you can see. Just tap that 3 dots. When you see it, then you can actually slow down the video. That's just a tip from Magnolia. But yeah. What are you doing? Oh, that's just my hamster. Okay. So now I just have a little part, but later on I'll tape on the back. Right now I'm just too lazy to, so yeah, just don't mind me. Scotch! Well, not Scotch, it's Jot. I think it's a copycatter, but who cares? I need to use clean tape. I don't have anything else, so don't mind me. Go. In the last spot, and we'll start stuffing my squishy. You know what, guys? We're actually going to stuff the back because I'm worrying that's going to tear. So, guys, please do not yell at me. Do not comment bad stuff about me. Please, guys, don't. Please, spare me. Thank you guys for sparing me. How nice. How nice. Oh, and if you're going to Chanel Elementary tomorrow, here's a little tip from us Chanel kid. Tomorrow is the trick-or-treat party. It's for Halloween, so you should go, but don't go if you look down, like down in the video before you watch it. You could see it's like literally like maybe if it's made 1 year ago, so then don't go to your school and say, oh look everyone, I'm here at the trick-or-treat party. Who wants to go and play arcade games? I don't know there's exactly arcade games, but guys, please, yeah, guys, thanks. So I'm just cutting slits right now. Alright, now I'm gonna do the back. It looks kind of messy. Well, kinda, right? So, we're just gonna go on and pick the back. And also, I'll be showing you how to make a cat squishy out of trash bags. I know, trash bags. The thing we put our trash inside. Well, it's technically a trash can, but yeah, it's just a bag where you put trash inside. So, yeah, that thing. And also maybe do more squishy videos, but also do Gacha-like videos. But actually, I don't really think I'll be doing Gacha-like videos because since my iPad doesn't have enough storage. So yeah, guys, that's just what I had to say. I'm just taping. Like, it's really messy on the back for some reason. I know I look crazy right now without my glasses and stuff, but shush, I'm not crazy. I don't look crazy. I don't look ugly. It's okay if you say I look ugly. That's really okay. It's just that please don't be mean and please enjoy my video. Right now I'm just taping. Oops, a weird line. I wonder what I should do. Do you know what to do when there's a weird line? Take off that piece of tape. Really, you already have your squishy, but now you're just all you're gonna do is grab one of these. Because you got it like squishy. Oops. You might as well just squish them before you actually get them inside the squishy. My slit, I don't think it's really big. I'm gonna open the slit like that. And I'm just gonna you can also use like things like, ooh, I think it's kind of big. Who cares? I mean, I care. Wait, no, I don't. Do I? Magnolia, do you really care? No. Oh, yeah. Yep, she doesn't really care. She don't really care. She does don't care girl. I'm just gonna do that and just tape it around for secure. Okay. So I'm just gonna stick in these as in my squishy. So I'm just gonna stick a bunch of them inside, really. So I just luckily saved some. I hope I have enough. If I don't, I'm gonna add some toilet paper or something. You know, just don't mind me. I'm a normal girl. What are you doing here? I'm gonna put some. Oh, oops. Fell down, as you can see. So just gonna fix it up. Oh, I think my piece of tape is way too long, so I'm just gonna do that. I hope you really do better than me. I think I really, if you can send me a picture on Instagram, like I forgot my name of my Insta, but I mean you can check me out up there. So check me out, man. So as you can see, I stuffed it inside. It's not really actually that slow rising, but I mean it's gonna be pretty nice. So we're now gonna do the final part, which is guys say, "Hey dude, what you doing? Leave it alone. Get out." Sorry guys, I had to do that. Don't mind me, I'm just your average typical girl. But now we're just gonna tape it on.
Nó là chuẩn bị đi ngủ có đi sông nghèo nó đây đi uống nước lạnh cho bao kìa.
So I'm just go and tape it on. Just gonna get an extra piece of tape to tape it on. Now, as you can see, my squishy, it's actually pretty slow rising. Just to be honest, I'm pretty happy about how this came out. It's actually really squishy. So, bye guys!